Good morning, good evening from wherever you are in the world. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel. I made a small little rookie mistake when I recorded this video. I didn't have a microphone on, and so the first like 3 or 4 clips of the video are soundless, and so I'll probably narrate those clips. But other than that, let's get into the video. Okay guys, thank you guys for tuning into the video. Sorry about the audio error. These are the only clips that really have that error. Essentially what I'm saying is thank you for watching, and number two, I'm trying to explain what I'm going to do to clean these. I'm probably going to take the laces off, or not probably, I took the laces off. I'm going to throw them in the washing machine first, and then I'm going to start cleaning them then. Alright, let's get to a clip where there's actually some sound. Going in the washing machine. Just gonna throw a Tide Pod in there. Also going to throw some like powdered stuff to help it get the do 36 minutes. Alright, so just got these out of the washing machine. They're a little bit floppy. There might even be water in, and I think I just poured water out of this one. This one was literally so soaking that there's water on the inside of it. So I probably could dry that off, but I'm not going to because I'm impatient. So what I have is, for my cleaning setup, I have an old little toothbrush that I'm going to rub the back of it with. I'm going to put some cleaning solution on it and start doing that. And then I'm going to use a bristled brush. This is kind of like a soft bristled brush. You can get some cleaning solution on this and start rubbing it off too. Rubbing off some of the dirt. Obviously, dirt from someone else is not the best dirt. I like dirt on Vans. I like when they get a little grindy or grungy or whatever the word is, but I like when the dirt's from me. You know what I'm saying? Like when I put the hours into the sneaker. So, alright, let's get to it. Alright, I'm going to try to clean this off. I'm going to watch a YouTube video while I do it. Enjoy. Okay, so I cleaned up the heel of it a bit more. I'll kind of show you the comparison right here. So yeah, I mean, I think it's obviously the shoes have been washed, but I'm gonna keep cleaning up the sneakers and show you guys what they look like. Alright, so I spent some time cleaning this one up. It looks decent, pretty good. Honestly, like there's still gonna be some dirt and stuff and whatnot, but like I feel pretty good about how it looks. Obviously, I can clean up the tongue a little bit better too, but I don't think the tongue really matters. I don't think it needs to be cleaned up as much as I think like the midsole or something like that. So I really like the way it came out. Compared to the other shoe, which hasn't been touched yet, this is what that looks like here. The heel is pretty dingy, as you can see. The midsole is a little bit more dirty. And so yeah, I'm just going through with toothbrush and a cup of water, just dipping it in, rubbing it around, cleaning it up, using some cleaning solution, and yeah, getting it done. I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Alright, this is the final result. I can't even talk. So basically cleaned out the midsole. Obviously there's still going to be some dirt from it, but like obviously right here, this area is super tough. Tried the best I could with the brush, but I think it looks fine. Honestly, I don't think it needs that much cleaning on the front. But the side panels, or I guess the side, the medial, and the interior of the shoe are cleaned. So that's the most important to me. Both pairs are pretty clean right now. They're both pretty wet still. These are the original laces that came with them. I bought these off of Grailed. I'm probably gonna swap them out for these laces right here, some cream laces. I mean, obviously these ones will look a bit better. I'll lace those up, and then I'll show you guys kind of before after, and then let them dry, and then yeah, that's pretty much the video. All right, so relace them, put cream laces in them. I really love the way this looks. I think you can kind of see, I feel like cream looks really good with these shoes. These shoes were always a very subtle kind of sneaker, and I always loved how subtle they were and the subtlety of them. And so I think that the cream just accents that subtlety. If you want to see me rocking these, wearing these, you can follow me on Instagram at DrewJoyner_, and I will be showcasing these a little bit more, and I'm super excited about these. I love the way they came out, and I'll show you guys a before and after right now. Hope you guys enjoyed that quick little cleaning. I love the Sk8 highs, the Fear of God variant to be exact, and I'm super excited about how they turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, make sure to follow me on Instagram to see more pics and more just content of the sneaker. But until then, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.